Hello guys, welcome to MTech Survey and Hub. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like and share this video, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. So here's what I have for you guys today: how to create your US or UK Gmail account 2025. So this is a simple method. I'm going to be using a free VPN. You'll see it. Let me go to my Play Store. Okay, let's type Play Store. Alright, you're going to download this VPN, USA VPN. So this is the VPN we're going to be using. So download this VPN on your phone. So you can see, alright, we have already downloaded this VPN. Successful. So the next thing, we're going to change our settings and also change our time zone. So we'll be starting with this one is UK. We'll be starting with US. So all I need to do is to just come here and change my region, change to United States. Select United States, then put in any time zone. You understand? Just put in any time zone that you want. Alright. So then the next thing, I'm going to search the VPN. Here's the VPN. So okay, just start on. Another was not bad. So I'm going to change server. So all I need to do is to scroll down. Alright. So I'll pick any of this New York City. I'll just pick. Alright, allow the ads to run. Let the ads run finish, don't worry. So we're going to connect our VPN. Since it's a free VPN. Okay. Alright. So let it connect. So it's loading. Still loading. Let me try another server. Try it.
If you have to spend money to hit the jackpot, just delete the app.
This is Cash Frenzy. It is different from all other slot games. You don't need to spend a single penny and hit a jackpot in as soon as a minute. If you're
Alright, the ads has finished loading, so just want to connect this server. Let's see whether it will work now. Alright, this server is already connected, successful. So the next thing I'm going to do is just come here. You want to create a UFO. You can just go to your ChatGPT. Just go to you can use AI. Help me. Help me. So create or help me. So generate 5 US male name and surname. Alright, let's see. Alright, you can see this. So all you need to do is to just copy anyone and start. So I'll just head to my distant Gmail. Come here because it's US that I'm creating. You can also do the same to UK. You connect to UK server, and all I need to do is to full stop, then clear cache. That is the down one, not the up one, not all data. You see, clear cache. You see, good. And I need to now. So alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to just scroll down, add another email account. So Google, select Google. So I'm going to add my password. So let's see how it's gonna work. Let's see how it's gonna work. So as soon as it works, I'm going to show you guys how to create a US Play Store, so that in order for you to be able to download Play Store apps from US Play Store. So let's see this. Come here. Yeah. So you continue. Put your date of birth. Continue. So you put the full email. You know, even though you're creating PayPal with this, even if it's a rename, make sure it's a rename. You have other account to create and you want the account to tally, make sure you use full email. So you put number has been taken. Make sure you get a number that is free, so you can see. So you put your password. Make sure you put a very strong password so that it won't be dictated. Let's see. Wow, so you see we have already created a successful. So when we're done creating, we're going to secure it. So this is how to create your email address. US email address 2025, it bypassed without no number verification. You can use it for your survey or US survey. You can also do the same to UK as well. You select UK server and repeat the same steps. Any steps I do here is the same steps you do to other regions as well. If you want to attempt to the same platform or anything, you need to make sure you change. Even though if it's the UK, you still do the same thing to UK, and so on and so forth. So we're going to secure our account, because that's the best thing we need to do now. Very important, so that you at the ending they won't disable your account, because you create multiple accounts. Even if they disable it, in as long as you have already added all these things, it won't be locked. You understand? So as soon as you add number, you add email address, it won't be locked. Please how to go about it. Why is it in? Network problem actually. Come, let me go back. Let me just go to security. Okay. So two-step verification. Let me enter two-step verification first. Don't forget you were told to add number. No, the account might lock. Because when you use VPN and you want to use the account, the email address without no VPN, they might end up disabling the account. More especially if they find suspicious acts. So and they'll now be saying, add number. When you add number, you don't have number to add, it's no problem. You know them. They are very strict as well. So just watch careful till the ending. Do well to subscribe this channel, and don't forget everything we're taking is for education purpose. So don't use it to go and fraud people or other things. I don't know why the network is so bad these days, especially here. Hold on. So guys, all right. Okay, so let me add number. Okay, let's see. Nigeria. I can add your Nigerian number and the open them. What's all this? What is this? This one again. Why is it loading now? What's loading? I don't know. Come, let me disconnect this. I don't need this. So I don't need this VPN again. I'm done with this VPN. Let me just disconnect it. Oh, this is not. See, it's still on. You just want to force it to stop. So it will stop me speed. So let me start again. Alright, let me start again. So security, I want to start again. The only thing is that you should register using US. As long as you have registered the account successfully, you can disconnect. Disconnect the VPN. It's already registered using US. So what you need to do is just disconnect it. And secure the account with your number. Don't use US number because I'm gonna end up connecting the real number here. All this time is behaving. Why is it loading like this? I'm just country and see. Okay, I want to click this click more. Oh my god. I've seen where the problem is from. Just click more about Google. Click my hand. That's it. I'm not saving. Just save this. Don't worry. Just save this. What again? Just make sure the email is fully saved now. Let's not end up having issue with the email address. They won't disable it. When you put number, they'll take the okay. Here you have number. They'll give you grace with that. So let me just choose the name. Don't forget also authenticate it. Also use Google Authenticator. Good. So guys, we are done setting up our email. So you can also add email. Add email. It's very necessary too. Although this is our security kit, when they start query whatever, you should be able to know what you use to log in. So you add up email. So you check the email that you're using. Make sure the email you're using for the is your master email. So I'm putting in the code. So you can also do well if you want to create for UK. Just go and change the server of the VPN to UK server. Then you did the same process. So this is how to create your email successful. So everything has been secured. Everything is secured now. The email doesn't have problem. You can go ahead and use your email address like normal usage, normal way of using it. So everything is fully secure. You understand? Everything is fully secure. So this is the best way for you to create your email address and secure it successful without what number verification. So when they disable, even if they want to disable the account, they won't be able to disable it again because one, they have already added number and it has already been authenticated. So that is just it. So let's go for the creation of Gmail. So I think, is there any other thing again we need to do? Okay, our next video is how to create a US Play Store account. So alright guys, I think let me just say guys, what's up for you guys today. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, a comment. If you have any question or need help, subscribe to MTech Survey Earning Hub, and also turn on the bell icon for more money making tutorials every week. And don't forget to check the description for useful links should in case. Alright.